Mike Bot here. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and a quick little review and demo of this RENPHO air purifier. I purchased a RENPHO smart scale a while back and figured it's time I gave these guys another chance and tried another one of their products. I could use an air purifier. As you know, I have a Bengal cat. They don't shed much, but they still they're supposed to be hypoallergenic cats, but he still triggers my allergies because I'm severely allergic to cats. So here we are with the air purifier. So this one is the model AP088B, B standing for black. If you get the white version, there will be a W at the end. This is supposed to have a 5-stage filtration system, a pre-filter, an antibacterial coating, an H13 Hepa filter, as well as a high-efficiency activated carbon filter and a net filter. So that's the 5 stages they claim. It's supposed to reduce, as it says on the box, 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, or micros, sorry, in the air. So allergies, germs, smokes, dust mite, dander, pollen, that kind of stuff. It's supposed to be a fairly fast system with a KDAR rating of 170 meters cubed per hour, or 100 CFM. It has a 360-degree air intake, as it kind of shows in the photo there. It's supposed to be silent, 26 decibels on the lowest sleep setting, up to 53 decibels, and several other little features. It says to replace the filter every 6 to 8 months. I'm pretty sure if you clean the filter regularly, you can probably get a year out of it. It's supposed to also have a night light in it, which is, I don't know if it says it here, but it's supposed to give you, there it is, night light, breathing light. So it gives you multiple colors. So if you're using this in your bedroom, and your bedroom is up to 240 square feet, this will clean the air, give you a night light at the same time, and it's supposed to be whisper quiet at night, which I will be testing out. It even says sleep mode right there on the box. So there's the 5 stages of filtration I was talking about earlier. What else does it say on here? Under 52 decibels, probably at full blast. Supposed to be 0.5 watts of power in standby, 32 watts when you're actually using the system. One thing I am very surprised about actually is the box is a lot bigger than I expected. I thought I was getting a tiny little unit for 93 bucks, but apparently it's a little more, it's a little larger in size. I did just mention the price. This is from Amazon. I paid 93 bucks for it on sale, quote unquote. 150 normal price. So I'm going to go ahead and start this unboxing right now. Okay, just tilt the box over like so you can all see what's going on. First thing came out, instruction manual with warranty information. Nice little thick foam to protect it. The actual unit itself, I'm just going to check the box. There's another piece of foam there to protect the bottom of it. I'm just going to take the little plastic off. Every company makes these complicated in their own way. So these guys have decided to tie a knot at the bottom of it. I'm just going to go ahead and poke a hole, pull it out like so. I need to come up with a better way to do these unboxings so I'm not reaching over my camera. Okay, so while we're in the back here, power cord is fairly long, which is nice. System, pretty nice setup actually. It's not too bad. There's a little warning sticker on here. Open the filter cover and take out the used filter. Remove the packaging of new filter, load the new filter in, close the cover. Okay, so on the top here, there's a gigantic fan you can see. Little touch display buttons here. Bottom of it, like so. Just trying to see if this twists off. Yep, it does. So I'm pretty sure the filter, there it is. So you twist off the bottom, and there's the HEPA filter. This was supposed to be a PET filter. It's green in the pictures online. Not sure why I got a yellow one. So I'm just going to take the packaging out. Filter. Hope this is still the PET one they promised. Filter is pretty high quality actually. There's a fine mesh around it. And the actual filter itself, a couple sponges, so it's probably 4 stages of filtration here. There's even a plastic mesh on the inside, and the 5th is probably the outside capture. So pretty simple system. Looks like there's a fan that sucks the air in, blows it out. So I'm going to be honest, I think this is a glorified fan, and this filter is the entire reason they call it an air purification system. There's no UV light, like some of them have UV lights which actually kill bacteria and stuff. This one here, from the looks of it, it's literally just the filter that's causing it to become rated as an air filtration system. Or air purification system. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this back on. Okay, so it's all lined up perfectly again. So next step is to plug this in and test it out. So just in comparison, here's my hand. It's a fairly good sized system. Not too bad. Touch buttons on the top. Looks like you got a 2, 4, 8-hour timer. On off button. Speed setting for the fans, 1, 2, and 3. Sleep mode, night light mode. And I don't know what the filter rotation button does, but I will look into it before I start my demo and mention it in the beginning of the next part. Gone ahead and plugged in the RENPHO air purifying system. So as I was mentioning on the last clip, so the button up there for the filter, that's actually the filter reset button. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn the system on. Okay, so I'm going to start by pressing power. Lights up. Nice little light there. Lots of airflow up here. It's on setting 2. I'm going to put it on setting 3. Sounds fairly loud. You will not be able to sleep with it on full power, but this is probably the setting where it works best. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and open up a decibel test app on my phone, and we're going to see what the noise level is. Getting around 70 decibels. This is definitely not under 52 decibels. It's under 52 decibels, that's the first setting. So sleep mode is supposed to be around 26 decibels. Now mind you, there's a lot of background noise here, so it probably is a little bit quieter than it looks and sounds. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put it back on full speed. So as mentioned before, there's a timer setting. Now I'm kind of curious as to how this light changes. And then here's the light setting. There we go, we got orange, off, white, I guess brighter white, dimmed white, orange. It's not very many options here for the color. Now I don't really care for the light settings, but if you're putting this in your child's room and you want them to have a night light, it could be a nice feature for them to have for sure. So I'm just going to turn the fan down to speed 1 just so I can talk properly while I'm finishing the rest of this video up. So the bright light has a breathing mode as well, which I just showed you guys. So short press gives you bright white. Long press for 3 seconds is breathing mode. And then if you want colorful gradient status, you long press for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. the colors are bright. So you get red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple without the breathing mode. So another 3 seconds and it turns on color with breathing mode. 1, 2, 3. So now the setting is supposed to be breathing with color. I'm kind of curious if the color is actually going to work or not. I know some people are going to watch this video just for this feature specifically. That's why I'm highlighting it. I don't see color changing. I don't know if that's normal. Maybe you actually have to go through the full cycle to do this. So let me turn it off. Turn it back on. Okay, it remembers the last setting for the fan, which is nice. So short press goes to bright white. Long press for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Goes to breathing mode. And colorful gradient status. Okay, give me a second. So okay, so in order to get the colors, you got to put it into here, then you got to hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So let's see if this actually cycles through different colors or not. Lovely. Okay, so it was a bit of a process, but I got it to do the color changing. It does work. So basically, follow the instructions on the manual, or follow what I did, which was following the instructions on the manual. It's got to be trial and error to get this thing to work properly. So anyway, if you're buying this for your child, there's the nightlight mode. Mix it with sleep mode. Now I'm not sure why the nightlight doesn't turn on during sleep mode. It's very strange. As soon as I hit light, it turns it off sleep mode. So I don't know, it's a very strange feature. Like, RENPHO, if you're watching this, why did you do it that way? Okay, so that's pretty much it for this. You can also lock the buttons by hitting the lock here. So you're not supposed to be able to touch anything, but if your child hits power, oh, there we go. So if your child is playing around with it in their bedroom, hit the lock button and let's hope they can't figure out how to unlock it. Three-second long press. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let this run for about an hour and I'll let you guys know if I notice any difference either in another part in this video or in the comment section. I've been running this thing for over an hour now. No surprise, there's no miracles. I don't see any drastic change in air or anything. The room feels a little cooler, of course, because the fan's spinning at such a high speed and cooling down the room. Other than that, the room still smells the same, I guess. I'd have to kind of go outside and come back in to notice any difference. So I guess that's it for today's video. So we did the unboxing, an overview of the RENPHO air purifier, and a small demo. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and as usual, I'll get back to them as soon as I can. If you enjoyed my video, please like it. If you didn't, leave a comment below, let me know why. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you don't like my channel, it's understandable, don't subscribe, I guess, but please tell me why you don't like my channel. I am working on improving my videos all the time and giving you guys higher quality, better content as I improve my skills and my video editing skills. That's it for today. Stay tuned for another video probably in the next few days. Thanks again for watching. Mike Buck out.